Solve this equation. Find the value of x. So 169 raised to the power x is equal to 130 raised to the power x plus 100 raised to the power x. So dividing the left hand side and the right hand side with 100 raised to the power x, we'll have this to be 169 raised to the power x divided by 100 raised to the power x equal to 130 raised to the power x divided by 100 raised to the power x plus 100 raised to the power x divided by 100 raised to the power x raised to the power x. So this will cancel out this. You are left with 1 there. Since these are of equal power, you just say 169 all over 100 raised to the power x is equal to 130 all over 100 raised to the power x. Since the powers are common, so then this one will be plus 1. Now you have this will be equal to 1.69 raised to the power x equal to 1.3 raised to the power x plus 1. Now this is same thing as 1.3 raised to the power 2. Now raised to the power x. So this is x. Now 1.69 is same thing as 1.3 raised to the power 2. So you have 1.3 raised to the power x here plus 1. Now let's say let 1.3 raised to the power x be equal to p. Now substituting wherever we see 1.3 raised to the power x, we put p there. So you now have this one is p raised to the power 2 all raised to the power x. So this is same thing as this 1.3 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x is same thing as saying 1.3 raised to the power x all squared equal to 1.3 raised to the power x plus 1. Now so wherever we see this, we substitute this. So that means this is same thing as p raised to the power 2 equal to this is p plus 1. Now if you add minus p minus 1 to both sides, now this side you have p raised to the power 2 minus p minus 1 equal to this will cancel out this will cancel out. P will cancel out minus p plus 1 will cancel out minus 1, so we have 0 here. Now using quadratic formula, where you have a is equal to 1 here, b is equal to minus 1, yc is equal to minus 1 2. So and the quadratic formula now p will be the quadratic formula p will now be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So p will be equal to minus b is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 all squared minus 4, then 4 times 1, c is minus 1 all raised to the power 2 times a is 1 2. Now you have minus times minus 1 will give you 1 plus minus minus 1 square is 1. So you have minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 1 will give you plus 4 all over 2. So this is something as 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 2. Now, the real values of p is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. Now, the negative one is not the real value because we don't have log. Negative value is not, doesn't exist, so this is not a solution, not solution, not real value, not real root. So, and you know p is equal to 1.3 raised to power x, so that means this is equal to something as 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. So I now have 1.3 raised to power x is equal to, now let me solve this. Let me solve this. I have 5 square root of 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So I have 1.618033. Let me see. Okay, 34. Let me call it 34. Okay, let me remove this 3. Make it is 5 decimal place. Okay, let me leave it as that. Now I will now take logarithm of both sides to base 10. So I will now have log 1.3 raised to power x base 10 is same thing as log 1.61803 base 10. So what you do to this side, you do to the. So now this expression is the same thing as saying x times log 1.3 base 10 equal to log 1.61803 base 10. Dividing all through by log 1.3 base 10, 1.3 base 10, you now have, this will cancel out this. Your left, on the left hand side you have x equal to the right hand side, which is log 1.61803 base 10 all over log 1.3. So maybe I can just say equal to this 1.61803 base 10 divided by log 1.3 base 10. So now let's do that. X will now be equal to, so let me copy this, copy this. Let me now say, call it log. Okay, I don't need to copy it. I say log divided by 1.3 log. So this gives us 1.834 341. That's our answer. So this is the final answer to this question. So thank you for watching.